Rebuilding this €200 pre-built into a decent gaming machine. This is an Acer TC17 for a fairly nice pre-built. Removing the CPU. Got a new cooler as the stock one sucked. Also purchased another motherboard because the original one also sucked. Together with everything, I've bought a basic 650-watt power supply giving the PC more headroom. Prepping cooler mounts. Mounting the old i5. Reusing it to buy 8 16 gigabit set. Thermal goo. Trying to mount the cooler. Crazy cooler mounted successfully. Motherboard prep done. Doing main cables. Mounting the cheap RTX 30506 gigabit. Mounted successfully. Sheesh. Everything finally in the case. After a rough 1 hour and a half of connecting and managing cables, it finally looked okay-ish. First look in its new place. And its first time on. Rookie mistake. We have forgot to connect the SATA power cable to the fan hub. And it posts. Yay! Connecting the fans got us this. At last, is it running normally? In total, I've paid around €200 on the case, motherboard, cooler, and power supply. It changed completely the look of the setup.